Welcome to the JavaScript Basic part 1.3. In this JavaScript Basic session, we discuss about the ES6 concept. In the previous videos, we already discussed about the let and const and also the arrow functions, its advantages, disadvantage over the traditional function expressions. Today video, we will discuss about the template literals, how it's useful, and the restructuring assignments, its advantages. So let's start. Now we will discuss about the template literals and its advantage. It is one of the ES6 concepts. So template literals are a way to create strings in JavaScript that allows for embedded expressions. They are enclosed by the backticks instead of the single or the double quotes, which we use to define a string. So it has several advantages like string interpolation. Template literals allow you to easily interpolate variables and expressions within a string using the dollar and the second bracket inside. You can declare a variables. This makes it more concise and readable compared to the concatenation. So we'll see by example. So you can see this is the string concatenation. So we can do same with by using the template literals. Now I will execute this. So you can see it's both the things printed the same, but you can do this string concatenation by concise way with the template literals. Next advantage, we have the multi-line string. Template literals can span multiple lines, which is not possible with regular string literals. This is useful for creating readable and formatting multi-line string. So we'll see by example. So you can see if you want to multi-line string, it's not possible with this or this way. It's not possible. It's giving the error unterminated string literals. The same thing you can do with the template literals. Next, we have the destructuring assignment and its advantages. So destructuring assignment is a powerful feature in JavaScript that is introduced in the ES6. It allows you to extract values from objects and arrays and assign them to the variable using a concise and the readable syntax. So it has several advantages like concise and the readable code. Destructuring simplifies code and makes it more readable by reducing the need of the repetitive assignments and extraction. We'll see by example. Suppose we have a object person which has name and age. Now without destructuring, you have to access it like const and with destructuring you can access like by this way. Mm. So you can see it's both printed same, but with destructuring uh, you can access the elements of the object like this with single line. Next advantage, we have the easier object and the array access. Destructuring makes it easier to access and work with object and the array elements. So you have already seen to access the name and age easier way in case of the object person. So we'll see the easier way for an array. So you can see you can also destructuring the array easier way. Next, we have the default values. You can provide default values for destructuring variables, ensuring they have values if the original object or the array lacks those properties or elements. So you can see by when we declare the person of object, we define we forgot to add age. So during destructuring, we can assign the age and we can print. So it's printed the age, the value of the age. Next, we have the renaming variables. You can rename variables while destructuring, allowing you to give them more meaningful names in your code. So you can see here, we first define the first name and last name, and we renaming by the first name with the first and the last name with the last, and it's printed the John Doe. Next, we have the nested destructuring. Destructuring can be used for nested objects and arrays, making it easy to access deeply nested values. Sorry, it will we destructure the city and state, so we can't access the address here. So we destructure the city and state, so we can access the city and state. So you can see the Kolkata and the West Bengal. So the in that way, in this way, you can destructure the nested object.